Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we're diving into one of the biggest tech announcements of the year, the brand new iPhone 16 series. Apple has officially launched their 2025 lineup, and there's a lot to talk about. From next-gen chips to AI features and camera upgrades, whether you're an iPhone fan or just curious about what's new, stick around. Let's get into it. This year, Apple introduced 5 models in the iPhone 16 series: iPhone 16, iPhone 16 Plus, iPhone 16, Pro iPhone 16, Pro Max, and a new budget-friendly model, the iPhone 16e. Design-wise, the phones retain a familiar look, but Apple's made some smart tweaks: thinner bezels, new colors, and a brand new camera control button for easier photography. We'll talk more about that in a second. One of the biggest upgrades this year is Apple Intelligence, Apple's answer to AI integration. This isn't just smart assistance, it's deep system-level intelligence baked into your apps.
Here's what it can do. Smart writing tools. Think rewrite, summarize, and proofread across mail, notes, and even third-party apps. Live audio transcription. You can now record, transcribe, and summarize phone calls. Genmoji and image playground. Create custom emojis and images on the fly. On-screen AI. Tap and hold text, objects, or images to get instant info, similar to Google's Circle to Search. It feels like a huge leap for iPhones, especially paired with the new iOS 26 update, which we'll touch on later. Under the hood, Apple's rolled out its most powerful chips yet. The iPhone 16 and 16 Plus are powered by the A18 chip, offering up to 30% better performance and 35% more efficiency. The Pro models get the A18 Pro chip, with faster CPU, GPU, and hardware-accelerated ray tracing for gaming. On top of that, there's better cooling, and battery life has reportedly improved across all models, especially the 16 Pro Max, which now pushes past a full day of use, even under heavy load. Now, about that new camera control button. This physical button on the side gives you quick access to the camera, lets you adjust zoom with a swipe, and record video or take photos with a single press. The Pro models also introduce new AI-powered photography features, like automatic scene optimization, improved night mode, and next-gen smart HDR. It's clear Apple is going after both casual and pro users here. Creators especially will love the extra control. Charging also got a major boost. Wired charging now supports up to 45 watts, more than 50% faster than before. MagSafe wireless charging has been bumped up to 25 watts. Battery sizes are slightly bigger, and the new chips help conserve energy better. Alongside the iPhone 16 comes iOS 26, featuring the new liquid glass interface, a sleek, semi-transparent UI inspired by Vision OS. It looks modern, clean, and dynamic. You also get live translation for real-time conversations, spam call detection upgrades. Now, about that new camera control button. This physical button on the side gives you quick access to the camera, lets you adjust zoom with and customizable iMessage backgrounds and effects. This feels like Apple's most modern software update in years. So, that's the iPhone 16 series, packed with AI, powerful new chips, fresh camera tricks, and a design that's just polished enough to feel new. Is it worth the upgrade? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon if you want more tech updates like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.